Hey, this is Katrina. In between letting the cauldron dry and trying to finish it up, I am going to do Dollar Tree Flamingo vultures. I've already painted this one and I'm making this video after I've done him. But this is part of not really a two-part video, but he is going to, if you're not subscribed to our channel, this is a good reason to subscribe. So he is going to sit on or at the rib cage area of a skeleton, and we'll be doing a skeleton corpsing video soon. I don't know if it will be done by me or by Rob, but one of us are going to do a skeleton corpsing video. He is going to sit there and he's going to be the vulture at the skeleton. So I figure I'd knock this out while I had a few minutes in between working on projects. And that one has taken me a little longer than expected. But if you're not subscribed to our channel, please hit that subscribe button. And if you are one of our subscribers, thank you. On to the video. Okay, for my supplies, I have a Dollar Tree Flamingo, and I'll do more than one of these, but for the sake of the video, I have one. I have a feather boa that I got from Amazon, and I did get beige because I don't want a nice clean vulture. I want mine to be dirtied up. I have Rust-Oleum burgundy spray paint, and that will be the head area. I didn't want red because to me, most vultures look more burgundy. There are some with red, but what I see is burgundy. I have black to maybe paint the eyes in because I'm going to paint it all. And I have some Oops paint from Home Depot. You can get these for 50 cents, $1 a jar. And this color is Rustic Top. So I want his eyes to be kind of not white, off-white, so that'll go in the eye area. I have my glue gun, and it is set on a low heat setting, and my glue sticks, small paintbrush for the eyes, and scissors full of paper mache paste. I think that'll be all I need. So, and a bag. The legs slide right out of him. And I'm just gonna lay him here. It is not all I need. Of course, I need black spray paint. Okay, and I also have the same Rust-Oleum that I used on the cauldron. Rust-Oleum semi-gloss. And I'll use that for my flamingo also. Almost forgot that. So I'm gonna start by tying him off with a bag, tape, anything, whatever you have, because I don't want the black on his head area. Or at least not yet. Now I'll bring it down right at his neck. This will be covered anyway with the boa, so that part really doesn't matter as long as I'm not getting a bunch of black on the top of him. I'll let them dry. Okay, so now that that is dried, to get burgundy on the top. And now I'll let that dry. Okay, so I've got my flamingo painted black, got the neck burgundy. From here, I've got my boa. And I do have my glue gun set on a low heat right now. Now to find the end of this. Not as hard as I thought it'd be. This one is quite thick, which is not a problem. He'll just have a lot of extra feathers around the neck. I think he's going to look pretty good that way. That looks like it's about long enough. So I'm going to cut it right about there. Ooh, plenty of extra feathers. If you want different color feathers, Dollar Tree does sell a bag of feathers, separate feathers, not in boa form that I know of. And it's a bunch of different colors. I looked, I did not see beige in there. There were a couple of white feathers. So white, pink, all kinds of other colors. Just not beige. And I have feathers everywhere. Maybe I'll be able to use them again somewhere else. And I am going to take this off. Whatever the string is, I don't know. I don't wear boas, so I don't know a lot about them. And today of all days, it should have rained, so I could have left him out in the rain. Got the boa a little dirty, something. And I'm putting a little on the neck to hold the feathers there. He does look fabulous. Okay, and I'll save those for another project. More vultures maybe. And my paint for the eyes. won't need any extra black. I think one thing I am going to do is rinse my paintbrush off and paint the beak black. And this is the paint I'm using to hand paint. I ended up getting this at a bin store. It was a whole case of paints like this, brand new. If you do crafting or build props or whatever, bin stores are a good place to find discounts. A lot of times I've been able to run across Amazon returns and they're unopened, brand new. They just can't resell them as new for whatever reason, and I don't mind because it works out for me. So I'm going to paint the beak black, and it looks like a little burgundy did rub off there. I don't think I let it, no, that's the part that I missed. So a little dried off there. And I don't even, I might go back through, and I should have got a bigger brush. I might go back through and throw some black in these feathers just to make them kind of dirty looking. I guess this brush works well. Helps me not make a mess everywhere else. I'm gonna lay him down, let him dry real quick, and then I think I'm gonna maybe dry brush a little of the beige onto the beak. I am going to dry brush the beak with a heavy hand. Black's not all the way dry. It'll be alright though. Give it some character. And that's what I have.